to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to share with you a special package sent by Nerf. This is regarding Nerf Nitro, a brand new lineup that just came out. Now, I wouldn't really say brand new, just because it's a previous idea that they're re-rolling back, in which there are little tiny stunt cars that you can actually shoot sky high. So it should be quite exciting to see. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's inside. Alright, so this here's the box they sent. You do see like this cool looking road on the front here, and then right here it says Nerf Nitro. So let's go ahead and open this up. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. Alright, so this here is our start guide, or our start your engines guide, in which it kind of talks about Nerf Nitro alone. So it's actually a previous set that they're re-welcoming to a younger generation of Nerf kids. So definitely a very cool concept to bring back something from the past into the present. Now on the bottom here it talks about a little bit more in terms of details on what's included. So it says we can use the box itself as a ramp, so that's actually pretty cool. And then we can actually practice our driving using the different ramps that they include, and then try to hit a perfect score of knocking, looks like these cups here as well. So that should be quite some fun. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so I do see a lot of cars and a lot of ramps. So this here is the BarrelSlam. You can actually see the car itself. It's actually got a very nice like foam cushion feel to it. And it includes a stunt set. So we get these, looks like a ramp as well as these canisters here. So definitely a really cool thing. So I'm excited to go ahead and open that up and see what that looks like. And then we have ourselves some more Nitro cars. Check that out. That's actually a lot of different cars here. So you can always go ahead and load them up and fire them through and knock out these cool canisters. And then, wow, check that out. This here is our launch ramp rage. So we can actually fire the cars almost like a gun and fire them up a ramp. So that's actually really cool. Now in the back here kind of shows exactly how it looks. So this is the one that we have here. They have a few other different models as well. And then you get these cool looking blocks that you can knock over as well. So definitely excited to try that. And then we have ourselves some cool looking Nerf Nitro cups. So what we're going to do is try to see if we can knock these down. That should be quite fun to see. And then over here we have ourselves a cookie. Oh my god, that is so cool. Check that out. That is a Nerf Nitro first place cookie. Cool. I love the gold color to it. And it even says Nerf Nitro. You can actually see the details in it. Looks really delicious. Excited to eat that. Woohoo! Alright, so let's go ahead and set this all up and see what it looks like. Alright, so the first thing we'll unbox is this here. This here is our AeroFury Ramp Rage. Looks like it comes with two cars and our ramp and our gun as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. And then we got these cars right here. So what is it made out of? Now the frame itself is plastic, even the wheels are plastic, but the housing itself or the body of the car is made out of Nerf material. So it's actually really soft and you can actually see that it's almost like a sponge. Alright, and then this here is our gun. Wow, that thing looks really cool. So it does appear that it does use batteries, so make sure you go and load those up. I'm just going to place the car in just like this, and as soon as you press the button, bam! It'll just go ahead and fire it out. So I'm really excited to try that out. Let's see what else we got. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up next. This here is the BarrelSlam. Alright, so we get ourselves a car right over here, and then we get ourselves a ramp. So what happens is if you hit this here, it'll actually knock over the barrels. Alright, and then we have this car pack, so let's go ahead and take these cars out. Sweet, so check these out. We have a bunch of little cars here. They're all actually very unique. This one looks like a hot rod over here. And then we have ourselves like a sports car. Even that one has like different colors. We have some camo looking cars. So we actually have a good amount of cars or ammo, which should be fun. So let's go ahead and set up these cups itself and see if we can actually try knocking these things down. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this out. Now there's a safety mechanism on the bottom here, so when you press this button here, you can hear it start turning on. And then once you pull the trigger, it'll actually fire the car. So let's see how this works out. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and set up this ramp here for now. And then we'll go ahead and load up a car and see how this all plays out. I'm going to go ahead and put my car in here first. I'm going to hold down the button. And I'm going to fire it. Whoa! That was really intense. Alright, so we're all set and ready for our main challenge. Now I set up these cups here on the top, and then this here is the ammo that we'll be using. So what I'm going to try doing is knock down the actual cups over, and if I'm able to knock them all down, I'll be able to eat this winner cookie. So let's go ahead and try this out. Should be some fun. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this camo car over here, and hopefully this will be able to knock down that first one. So let's try this out. Yeah! So that's one. So let's go ahead and use the second card here. Well, actually, look, 2 cards this time and see if we can knock 2 down at the same time. Ready? Nice! Alright, we got 2 more left. Let's do this. And we got 3 more bullets. Yeah! That's right, I won. Alright, and you know what that means? It means we get to eat a cookie. That's good. Alright, well there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about the Nitro car, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.